Welcome back to Nana's Cook and Craft Corner. I just got some mail in and it's from beebeecraft.com. They've sent me these items which I'm very excited to show you and review on my unboxing video for them. Let's get started. See what I got in here. I'm very excited to see it. So I took out the main envelope and just kept it in a bubble wrap. So we're going to open it up from there. All right. This little kit. I like the containers already. I love how things are done in a container. Oh, look at this. This is really cute. I like the containers. Let's see. Open this up. There we go. That's not lit. And this little kit has earrings to make earrings. Look at this. And then the little rings to connect the earrings to it. And it's all compressed. It's hard to believe it's all compressed in this tiny little plastic kit, but it's well organized the way it's packed. Alright, because it came in an envelope and a bubble wrap and this. And I'll show you the assorted terms in this little pack. Look how cute this is. Alright, so we have snowman. We have a tree, little duplicates of each one, but that's so cute. Look at them. And I can see a lot of things I could be making with this, but I'm gonna probably make some earrings with it for sure. And look at these. Oh my goodness. They're really cute. I mean, sometimes things seen in real life is even cuter than what you can see on a picture. And there's a little Santa. We got some bells. So enough to make some earrings here, which I plan on doing. Or you can use the charms on something else, but I plan on making at least one pair of earrings. I wouldn't mind you telling me, I'm going to do two tutorials on working with their jewelry. And if you want to leave a comment down below of which one I should do of earrings, is it the snowman, the Santa Claus, or this green Santa Claus, the little snowflakes, the bells, or the boots. You guys leave a comment down below of which one you think I should do a tutorial with the earrings. Alright, and let's get started on the next part of this. Oh, look at, I'm already impressed how it's wrapped and packaged, and I love containers, so this is perfect. Look at it even hanging up like that. So the container alone is a win for me because I like containers. Now, this was a kit, and it comes with, to do, for bracelets or anything. It comes with the jewelry string to make it into a bracelet, not this particular Christmas kit. And let me show you how cool this is. Okay, so let's open this up. And look at the little beads. You got these red ones. This little white one. Green, you can see it. And then these ones are really cute, the assorted bells. Yep, there's something inside thing in it, but I don't know if you want to cut that out or not. And then we have little charms in here. Let's check out these little charms. Oh, look at these are really pretty. Silver snowflakes, little Christmas trees. Pretty. Really pretty charms. That is kit number 2. The other one's kind of a tiny kit. This is number 2. And then you have a bunch of little in-between beads. Right here. Okay, so there's some fasteners and more beads. And I'm thinking of making a bracelet with one of these this time. Or I can do whatever I want if you have the other extensions. I have earrings from the other pack that I can do. Kit comes with. Section. There. That's kit 2. And the bigger one is right here. I'm excited to get into. Even ideas, instructions on what you could do with it. This is good to make a necklace with this. So we'll start off with this pack of it. And I like the fact it's all in Ziploc bags, separated. So in this pack, we have a big thing of string, a jewelry string that you can use, a stretchy one, a stretchy cord, jewelry stretchy cord. And then you have a choice of jewelry stretchy cord, or you have wiring. So 2 choices. And then here, let's check this out. We have a big eye needle, which is going to come in and do all the jewelry, or to put the tiny beads on it. And it also comes with another Ziploc seal right here. The tool that's going to help me. Long nose pliers. Alright, and then you also have, this is they're all very nice packs. Okay, so be sure to take the tape off. Alright, look at these beautiful beads. Actually, these are really pretty. Look at that. And these, and you got some other beads over here. Blue ones. Take that off. Cut. And blue ones. Got some green ones. Look at that. And little tiny beads in certain sections. And we have some charms. Look at the charms on here. There's more charms in here. Some more. Oh, and even tinier beads or separations if you want. Well, see, now this one I can do earrings. This kit I can do, that's the connections for necklaces or bracelets. And other things for jewelry to hook onto these, like for charms and stuff like that. This is a really nice kit. And all the kits, I'll be listing it down below if you're interested in any of these kits, but I'm impressed with this company. All right, thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.